Hi, it's me, Michael, with my weekly recording it for the second time because I didn't have sound the first time, because I'm very tired. I had my first COVID dose yesterday, got a bit of a fever last night, didn't sleep too well, so I just want to let's rush through this today. So let's jump into the desktop. Mostly you'll see Donegood has been the thing, so it's been onboarding. It's like almost entirely onboarding and just like doing all the stuff around making this actually make sense and work. So what does that involve? That involves all these steps that you've seen. So I think I've shown you as far as the scheduler. This thing, I was going to have it like so you'd set up the lists on here, but I think that's wrong. So I decided just to make this like, when do you want to be active on Donegood, rather than like trying to schedule stuff in as well, because that'll be a bit more dynamic, of course. Of course, we're getting a ding. But yeah, so we introduce the timer. Come in here, it sort of takes you through. Here's how long, blah blah blah. Sort of show you what it looks like pro. And then another thing I did was to just sort of tell you about this little drift icon. This is weird, isn't it? Edit, add, done. But we've still got a way to go before this is all working as expected, unfortunately. So what if we made that like 1 then? No, we have to save 1, save duration. Yeah, there we go. You can see this ticking around. That's fun, isn't it? But I've been doing like a lot of the little details, like picking colours and all that kind of level. So we're getting there and making sure the lists work. But one big job is I want to be sending good emails. So something I've been doing to that is like sort of setting up tests so that I'm like, okay, if a user is active yesterday, then we send one sort of email. If someone's didn't show up for the first of their sessions, if they've got 2 periods booked today, then we're just figuring out whether or not to send them an email and what the content of those emails is going to be. So I've set up these unit tests, set up like a screen where I can like list through them, like like first email of the day. I want to do things like make it actually look like the app, and you literally just press. It shows you the next thing you've got to do within your email. You press the button, and there you go. You're ready to go. So just getting all that stuff right is complicated, and to be honest, like I've got at least another week working on this, unfortunately, but that's fine. I've got the time and space to do a good job on this, and I want to do a really good job on it, so I think that's okay. So the next thing on my music stream, I actually wrote some lyrics on stream this week. So this is like the process. So I think this song is coming together. But then the other stream that I did was my Unity stream, and I'm just quite excited about where I got up to with this. We got some sort of animator stuff figured out, walk, sit. Just figured out how the how all this works, and like we can select an armature, we can like preview an animation, see like there's something going on there, mysterious. But yeah, I've got it. The first thing I wanted to do was have this little character, so he's like a little AI. So you go, okay, I want you to walk over there, and then if I click again, he's gonna like walk back over here and have a sit down. And what I'm very proud of myself is that look, here's a little sit down. So that's my biggest success for this week. And I'm not going to keep you any longer. I'm just going to say have a good week. I'm going to go and have a nap. Bye.